Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Avid Media Composer on Windows with drivers, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Windows operating system is up to date. Check for the latest updates through the settings menu. Visit the official Avid website to find the Media Composer download page. Select the appropriate version for your system requirements. Click on the download link to start the process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file named MediaComposer.exe. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your preferred installation options. Select the installation path where you want to save the program. When prompted, accept the terms and conditions to continue. After the file's extract, the setup wizard will appear. Select additional options if desired, or proceed with the default configuration. Once the installation settings are configured, click the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take several minutes, depending on your system performance. After installation, a prompt may appear asking to launch Media Composer. Choose to launch the application or close the setup when prompted. Next, you need to ensure the necessary drivers are installed. Visit the Avid support website to download the recommended drivers. Make sure to select the ones compatible with your version of Media Composer. Download the drivers and locate the files in your Downloads folder. Double-click each driver file and follow the installation prompts. Once drivers are installed, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, locate the Media Composer icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the icon to open Avid Media Composer. You may be prompted to log in or create an Avid account if you haven't done so yet. Once accessed, you can configure the settings according to your preferences. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.